Be honest. Freshly catched fish from the sea or fish from the supermarket? Which is your favorite? Which one do you have access to, by the way? Is it just going to the supermarket to pick your fish, or going to the fish market, or just going by the sea to buy it when the fisherman comes in with the boat? Which one? In this video, I'll be preparing some freshly catch parrot, blue and pink parrot from the sea. Yes, so I'll have them washed and scraped and gutted from the seaside. Now I'm home with them. I will core the sides and season. So come along with me, stay with me, and see how I prepare my fish, the ingredients that I used. I will be frying these fish. I've never coated my fish in flour before, but today I am going to try that method. I've been seeing people doing it from I was a child. I've never tried it myself, so I decided that I am going to do it. So stay tuned. I normally use 5 different ingredients to season my fish. 1, salt. 2, black pepper. 3, cayenne pepper. 4, crushed pepper seed or scotch bonnet pepper. Whichever one you have, it works just the same. And 5, all-purpose Maggi seasoning. Today I will be combining the salt, the black pepper, and the cayenne pepper, and even the crushed pepper seed. After which, I will add the Maggi all-purpose season, which I will sprinkle all over the fish and inside the fish belly and into the sides that are core. Now I am adding the 3 combined seasons which I spoke about earlier, the salt, the black pepper, and the cayenne pepper. I am adding it to the fish. After finish adding, I will go ahead with the crushed pepper, which I should have added also. But later on in the video, you will see where I'm just mix all 4 of them and combine it because I find it easier that way. One fun fact I've learned going to the beach and getting this set of fish, a fisherman told me, a matter of fact, he asked, what were you going to do with this fish? Are you going to resell it for money or cook or have a fish fry or something like that? I said, no. Why? He said to me, because the best fish to buy for resale, if you're having a function such as a fish fry, is snapper. I asked why. He said, snapper is way lighter than parrot and some other fishes in the sea. That way, you get more for your money. But the thing about snapper also, it tends to be more expensive than a lot of fish. However, if you go to the seaside or buying fish and all the fishes are at the same prices, he said take the snapper. It has less bones and it is lighter. That way you'll make more profit if you're doing a fish fry, for example. If you have made it this far into the video and you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and leave a like. Also comment. Comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if you're going to try the fish this way, or let me know which fish is your favorite. Here I am adding the Maggi all-purpose season and I am spreading it all over the fish. I want this fish to be tasty. The remaining cayenne pepper and a matter of fact, the remaining of season that is left, I am going to use it into the flour as part of the breading. Yes, always season your flour. Always make a tasty breading. Okay. Now that I have finished seasoning the fish, I am going to drain them and put them into the, this plastic container, cover it, place it into the refrigerator, and allow it to marinate. Before I leave to place the fish into the refrigerator, I will do some cleaning up, clean off the cupboard, put some bleach or vinegar and dishwashing liquid, and wipe off the cupboard to eliminate that rawness, and wash up the utensils that I have used, and leave and to do whatever I want to do, including some puzzles. After a few hours of the fish being marinated, I am ready to cook, so I will be doing the breading. Now it's time to make the breading, and as you can see, I add the remaining amount of the remaining seasoning to the breading, and I am adding additional also. I add additional salt, additional cayenne pepper, additional all-purpose seasoning. I add some white sugar also to make the breading. This is optional. You choose the season you like, or you can feel free to use the ones that I use. Your breading should taste good also. You just don't want to have that taste of that bland flour alone as your breading. Now that I have completed making the breading, it's time to cook the fish. Heat your oil. You can also season your oil. I normally use garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. Now I am out of both of them. I can find one small clove of garlic. Not enough, not the amount I would want, but I put it into the oil anyways. But that's how I normally season my oil. I wouldn't add the crushed pepper seed because they tend to pop, and I don't want anything to pop in my eye or pop on my skin and burn me. The oil will pop anyhow sometimes, and that is enough popping I intend to deal with, okay? But it is optional. It's up to you what you want to do, but that is how I like to do it. Time to fry the fish, but before I fry, as you can see, I put on the breading. I coat the fish on both sides, all sides. Make sure the oil is hot and add it to your frying pan. Now it's time to turn the fish, since one side is golden brown and it won't stick. I am using a non-stick frying pan. You should too, or you allow your fish to fry properly until golden brown. When you look, you can look at the side and see it turning golden brown before you attempt to turn it. This way, they won't break or stick to the frying pan. This is how beautiful they are after I allow them to fry for a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your time. Please remember to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. God bless you. At the end, I almost burned two of the fishes because I didn't remember to turn it down on medium heat to low heat. However, it turned out well, very well, considering that it is the first time I am using a breading to fry fish. It turned out very well. Everyone enjoyed it, and I hope you did also.